Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikisha. In today's video, we're going to be doing my first sponsored video. Woo! I'm so excited. So this is the brand right here. They sent me some little goodies to do a review on. They also was gifted and kindly able to give me a discount code for you guys if you like what you see. I'll have that down below. You get 25% off your order. They have all kinds of different stuff. They have solid cream gels. They have the 3-pod cream gel nail polish as well. So they sent me 2 different things. They sent me the cream cloth glue nail, and it comes with 3 different colors. I'll show you now. It comes with like a blue, purple, and like this clear color with pretty like little glistening rhinestones. I will go ahead and finish. This is what the brush looks like. So I'm going to swatch it on a paper towel for you so you can see the pigment of it. This is the blue one. It's really pretty. And then we're going to swap. Hold on. Clean the brush off. And then we're going to swap the purple. Oh, this is a pretty that's like a lavender color. And then the chunky crystal one. So this is the first colors. This is these 3 colors. And this is what they look like. Swatched for you. They're really creamy and they're easy to move and work with. I did notice that, so I'm excited to use these. I'll probably use them today in a nail video if you guys want to see how they actually go onto a nail. So this is what they look like, and they have different prices. The prices are really reasonable. This is in 020. That's what it says in the back. It has a different, like I said, they have a lot of different ones. I just chose this one because I like blues. And then they sent me their 6 pack of gel creams, but I also show them to you because I think they are cute. This pretty. It is called Spring Summer is the name of it. These names are so cute. Look at that. And it's in 6 and it's a bright pretty yellow. And I'll swatch all of these for you so you can see them on a canvas as well. The next color, put this top back on. No, I make some clumsy. Is a spring summer. So it's a spring summer collection is what I got. So that one is the color, like I said, the yellow one is a 6. This one is 003, and it kind of reminds me of the little one that's in this one. So this is really pretty. I can't wait to use that one. That is really pretty. Again, I'm gonna swatch these for you. This is the color 2. They're a little strong in the smell. They smell very like a normal gel smell. But this is green, like a greenish color. They're really pigmented. And then my next color is number 1. And like I said, they had a lot of colors. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a really pretty mauve pink. Lighting is not doing it any justice, but it's a pretty color. Like I said, I will go ahead and swatch them for you. This one is in 5. Ooh, it's another pretty color, pinkish color. The last color is 4. it's a pretty blue. My favorite color of all. So let me get a paper towel. And swatch these for you, okay? Okay. Let me get this pretty blue. And this kind of reminds me of that blue that was in that 3-pack one. They're so creamy though. They're really creamy. That they say they're creamy, and that is a true statement. They are very creamy. See, oh, we need a lot. Like, look at that. It's like butter. It's like butter. Oops. So it's the pinkish color. This is that beautiful glittery one. Put that in here too. Ooh, girl. That is pretty, okay? Oh my gosh, I can't read. So this is the yellow one. Ooh, I can't wait to use that one. Ooh, this yellow is pretty too. It's bright and vibrant. Yes, please. Summer ready, okay? I might use these today. I'm doing a nail video today. So I might use these today. I think I am, because oh my god, these colors are beautiful. This is the green color one. As well as, whoops, just dropped it. Ooh, this is the mauve color. It's like a mauve pink. It's really pretty. This little brush that comes with it is really good. It's precise. You can use it. You can control it. But these are the colors right here. This right here, it's my favorite. This one, and then the blue. But this yellow is amazing. These are the colors. If you like what you see and you want to go check them out, I'll have the description down. I'll have them linked in my description box down below. As well, like I said, they are giving you off 25% on your first order. They have a ton of different things on their website. So if you like what you see, you go ahead and check them out. So the next clip will be of me doing my nails with these colors because these are cute. Again, this is the brand name. I don't want to butcher it. So there it is. I want to say burp. I don't know, girl. I don't know. We don't want to do that. But this is the name. So if you like it, go ahead and check them out. They do have kindly given me a 25% off discount for you guys if you want to check them out. I'll have that listed down below. All right, guys, it was a quick video just to show you this brand and let you know what my thoughts were. For so far so good. I'll come back when I'm done with my nails and let you know how I really feel and if I like it or not and things like that and how good it goes onto the nail. So if you want to see how they turn out, keep on watching. The next clip will be of me doing my nails and seeing what it looks like, because these nails, baby, they busted and disgusted. Okay, I am very proud of myself today because your girl did 3 videos today. Okay, I've been MIA for a while. I apologize, life happens, you know the routine, but I'm back and I'm better than ever. Anyway, so stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. And yeah.